Okay, from your dashboard, we're going to first download the setup programs for MPCore and whichever one of the Pro products you have, in this case FEA. So we click on the download your one installers and then click on the download file. This will automatically download the setup MPCore.exe to your downloads folder. And we repeat the same process for the Pro product, in this case FEA. And we can see when we hover over, this is the setup for AutoCAD, the A, C for Core, and R for Rhino. So in this case we want the Core version, and again download the file, and this will go to our downloads folder. Later on, when we're registering the programs, we'll use the authorization codes here to actually authorize the license. And the way we do that is click on the code and right-click copy, or use the Control-C command in Windows to copy that, and then in the authorization window, once the program starts, we'll paste that number, that line of text and code into the authorization window and authorize the software. In the case of the Pro products, there are actually 3 lines of code. So this one's wrapped around slightly. So there are 3 separate lines. Again, just clicking here and Control-C or right-click and copy. And then when we're installing the program, we paste that into the authorization window. Okay, next we'll we're now in our downloads folder, and I'm searching for setup, and here we can see MPCore 1.0 and FEA 19. Now we could just search by date, and obviously the latest file should be added to the top here. To install the program, to run the setup, we double click immediate installation. You'll be prompted to confirm you want to install, and then it completes automatically, and you're left with a thank you. And we do exactly the same for whichever Pro product, in this case FEA. Immediate installation. Again, we're prompted by Windows, and once complete, we hit thanks. To start Core, we first click on the Core symbol, which should be in the Start menu. There should also be a shortcut on your desktop. You'll see here's a copy of what it looks like, and we'll be presented with this authorization screen. And here we paste the code that we took from the dashboard and click on the Authorize button. We'll then be presented with the license to company name and the fact that the software and license server license OK, and the program will start. To start and authorize one of the Pro products, we click on one of these 3 buttons, whichever program you have. The program will start, and we're presented with the authorization window. As we did before, we're going to copy the 3-line code from our dashboard and either right-click and paste, or use Control-V to paste the value and then run the authorize. Again, we're going to be told who the license is assigned to and that the server license is OK. And the program starts up in a separate window. Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact support@mpanel.com.